In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without using any number. For this, go to your settings on your mobile phone and click on users and accounts, and then from here click on Google and see the accounts that have been added to your Google. Go back from this page and click on add account and choose Google. After choosing Google, you'll be prompted to this page. Type in your password for your mobile phone and then enter an email or phone. Or now what we'll have to do here is click on create account and select for myself and type in your first name, then your surname, that is optional, and click on next. Type in your date of birth and your gender. Select your date of birth from a calendar and choose your gender and click on next, and it will show these results. You can choose any one of these or type in or create your own Gmail address. So we can type in no1pro and @gmail.com. So you'll have to use a distinct email. Just type in and click on next and create a strong password for your email, and then click on next. After that, we'll have to skip these, or we can also click yes, I'm in, then click on next from here and scroll down and click on I agree. So now we have successfully created a Gmail account without using any number. So that's how we can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.